Hello everyone, how are you guys are doing? Hope you guys had amazing Diwali, a great family time or spent with your friends, neighbors, everyone. Sorry I couldn't upload many videos. Many people were inquiring about it. I was also busy in Diwali celebration. So let's see today's energy, or you can say what is coming up for next 48 hours or so. Like this is the energy of many people, because throughout my across social media platforms, like be it Insta or YouTube or WhatsApp, many people watch my videos every day. So many energies are involved. I have already shuffled the cards. So whoever is getting attracted towards a beautiful sunstone, it's their reading, and whoever is getting attracted towards a green aventurine, it's their reading. So pile number one, let's see what is there for you guys. Pile number one, you guys are fighting a lot with your near or dear ones, or in your office also. Not everything is going good, and you are fighting for yourself, and you are trying to prove your point, be it personal or professional life. You are standing tall, and don't fight with people too much. Deal it with diplomatically. So there will be some judgment from universe, and there will be some good offer. It's like it's coming slow, little slow. So whatever offer you will get, be it personal or professional life, judge it carefully, and it will be from divine only. So don't worry about it, and by 20th of this month you will be getting some good result in your personal or professional life. If you are looking for a job offer or something, you can get also, or if you are looking for marriage proposal after 20th. So hold on till 20th or something. If something is not going good and all, don't worry about this kind of situation, because universe will give you some judgment which will be a good one, for your highest good or something. And offers are coming, opportunities are there, many things are going to happen. Let's see what Angela has. Yes, you are going to get very good thing, and you are going to come out from this situation, but you have to be positive. It's like you should not be stubborn, whatever you have to just fight for that. If it is not working, just move on. Something better is coming out, and there is something better. See, Angela is assuring that, and you are ready to move ahead and take some new things, be it new job opportunities or business growth or new business area. Choose a new direction if it is not working, and if you are feeling stuck somewhere, if the situation is not serving you, so not serving the purpose and all, so you can always move ahead. Don't fight too much with people, and try to prove your point of views or something, because there is no point of doing that thing. See, from moonology, moon is also suggesting that communicate clearly. Like communication is the key. So if you are not able to prove your point, then just have a thought that what kind of communication will bring some positive results in your life. So that will help you. Definitely look at the bigger picture again. See, means everything is like interrelated. See that, like you should not be only stuck, and you should not be only conservative about some situation. Some bigger things are going to happen in your life, and you have to be positive in your life, and think positively. Everything is going to fall in place. So don't worry about whatever the situations are right now. Everything is going to be good, and universe is going to give you an amazing offer, be it personal or professional life. So this was the reading for guidance for pile number one. Let's see pile number two. Whoever has chosen green aventurine, this is their reading. Pile number 2, you are in in lots of stress, or you are quite silent, and you are just thinking about some situation of your life which is not going ahead very positively or something. But there is a ray of hope, and see, the Chariot card is also a very positive thing, and something better offer is coming up. So but choose everything very carefully, whatever the offer is coming up, and it will make you abundant, or it will help you to lead abundant life, be it money or personal life or something. But you guys are totally focused on career. I can see that, not too much in personal life right now, but too much of professional thing. You are thinking how to grow in your life career wise, and something financial growth, or if someone is stuck paying some EMI of home loan or any kind of loans or something. But there is something better coming up. It is not like you will be stuck here forever. Just give some time, like 1 month time or something, like say, from December, something good might happen. Yes, sort of being too good is not the answer. Diplomatically, you have to handle the situation. This kind of situation will recover, and if you are facing any financial loss, or anyone has taken your money and not giving back, that recovery you can also expect. If you are not having a good health, you can recover, or anyone in your family is not well or something, there will be some recovery. Also, if there is some turmoil in your personal life, there will be some recovery things. So you can expect it by next month, or within 7 to 9 months, everything will be quite okay. And ask your angels to help you, because whatever the situation, few times we can't see any direction or anything. So to throw some light from Moonology, take time to breathe out. So you might be working too hard, or you might be too stressed with your personal life also, or professional life. Take a break, and it might give you some answer. What do you need to release, whatever it is, if you are stuck anywhere, or if you are frustrated about your life or something, you need to release everything. You have to go ahead freely, and you should not get stuck in between of too many things. So this is the Pile 2 guidance, and hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.